I have a headache. Uh, but this is a cure for it. What we're going to make today isn't necessarily a cure for it, even though it's called a painkiller. So welcome to cocktail time, and let's do this. This drink was, I don't know exactly where the bar is, but it's in like an islandy place. I don't know. It was invented in the Soggy Dollar Bar, and people liked it there and so forth. But it got back to the States, and Pusser's rum kind of copyrighted the recipe. So we're not really making a painkiller today. We're making an ibuprofen. Because it's not a painkiller, because I don't have Pusser's rum. I looked for it. I also looked for like Smith & Cross, which is a really good Navy proof rum, which is what this really calls for, a high proof dark rum. Again, I don't really have that, and I looked this time and I couldn't find anything in the local liquor store. So we're going to use the Kraken again. You can still call me Kraken. You can just, I'll let you sponsor. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and make this. This is a tiki drink. So we're gonna make, this involves pineapple juice, orange juice, cream of coconut. I bought Coco Lopez, which is like the gold standard for cream of coconut that you want to use for your cocktails. And apparently nobody at Kroger buys these things, because I opened it up and they were just rotten. Like, oh, how long have these been on the shelf? So I picked up this morning. I've never used it before. We'll see. And yeah, so cream of coconut, pineapple juice, orange juice, rum, and we're going to shake it, and we're going to garnish it with a little, I don't have fresh nutmeg because I'm the only one who likes it around here, so nutmeg, and maybe some pineapple prawns, or you can do it with a slice of pineapple, but I'm not going to cut up my pineapple, so yeah, I'm not doing that. But anyway, let's get going. So what we need is, let's do juice first. Let's do 4 ounces of pineapple juice. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and then we need an ounce of orange juice, and if you can use freshly squeezed citrus juice, it's better. Pineapple juice, I find, is just fine regardless if you get it in a can or not. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about that. But if you can do freshly squeezed orange juice, let's do freshly squeezed orange juice. We just need an ounce, so I'm just gonna destroy this orange, throw it in the trash. And, you know, whatever you don't use in your cocktail, you can just, like, you know, drink. Because it's OJ. And I'm gonna be weird about it. I just need an ounce, but I'm gonna, like, I don't want to get pulp and stuff in it. It's just, I guess I could do that, like, after I make the drink, but why not just do it now? I have the little strainy thing, and then we need an ounce of cream of coconut. I should have probably put this in first, because the rest of the stuff would have taken it out. So let me just put an ounce of this in. This is such a better color than the rotten Coco Lopez I got. Oh my God, it was brown and it smelled like death. I was like, what is happening? And then we need 2 ounces of our Navy proof or dark rum of high proof, you know. And if you can do it in a Caribbean style, that would be best. So I'll put 2 ounces of that. Jamaican rum, that'd be good. I guess I could have used like a high proof Captain Morgan. That would have been good too. I need ice. Oh, I have ice now. See, there's ice in here. Okay, so we're going to put this in here. Make sure we have a straight line, and we're just going to shake this, I don't know, 10 seconds or so, and make sure this is all cold. Okay. Take that off. Pineapple juice, so we're going to have a nice, like, frothy head. We're going to pour this into a big old glass here with a big rock of ice. Yeah. I already got my pulp in here. That's not probably should have done it like that. Okay, we're going to double strain this like this. This will help from getting all the little tiny ice chunks into the drink, which will prevent the pineapple juice from doing the nice little foamy thing that we like it to do. Yeah, that's good enough. You can do it over crushed ice. I felt like I diluted it enough. I didn't want to do anything more. Okay, so what we traditionally would do is you would brush like fresh nutmeg on it. Oh, hell that. So we're just going to do a little bit of the pre-ground stuff. It's good enough for my pies. It's good enough for my cocktails. We will garnish it maybe with a little pineapple fronds, you know, like that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right, so let's try this sucker. This is not a painkiller. Wow. I'm just now getting into tiki drinks, but this is dangerous. I can see why this would be a painkiller, because you would just drink yourself numb. These are just, if you like pineapple juice, this is pineapple forward. The Kraken is no slouch, so yeah, and the coconut is nice in there. Gives it a good mouth feel. Yeah, I really like this. Wow, yeah. Okay. I didn't expect to like it like that. I was gonna be like, this is gonna be, you know. This is definitely a cocktail my wife would like. I am making her one of these. Today's her birthday, and she likes coconut, so I think, yeah, she's totally getting one of these today. Not this one though, because this one's mine. Yeah, that's the show today. I don't have. If anybody out there here in the Indianapolis area knows where I can get Pusser's rum or Smith & Cross Navy Proof rum, I really like that one. I haven't had it in a long time. It's good. Let me know, because I would like to actually make these tiki drinks. It's summertime, so I feel like tiki bars, you know, it's kind of what we should be doing. Yeah, so if you know where I can find this, let me know. And if you have any drink ideas you want me to do, just put them in the comments, and I will make sure that I make those drinks. Cheers. Well.